Hi everyone. So this is my HTML and Bootstrap project, and I decided to create a website with book recommendations, which I named Prose Palette Book Picks. So here's where I import Bootstrap. I didn't have to do this so that I my images would have the sizing I needed. Here I included a menu bar actually. There we go. So here's the code for my menu bar. I have the page's name and my home, my bookshelf, and share a book. I have the header description, introduction to my website. Here's my featured book section. So I use two cards and obviously the grid with the divs. So I have a book here and I have another one here. Down here I have like another card to show a quote. And here is my table with book rating. So these is like the top row with the like headers that and then here I have the content, so like the books, and I added this thing here so I could add the stars. I honestly took the rating from Goodreads, and then finally I have my footer with information about my yeah my page and myself. And then my scripts here. My bookshelf one is probably like the most complex one just because I have like all the books there. So again, I have the title and I have the header. I also um, added my nav bar here. And then I introduced people to my website and I have a quote, and I actually realized because this page became so long that you'd have to scroll down a lot. So I added this drop down menu button to go directly to each of the genres I included. Then here I created a new container to display all the books. For displaying the books, I used cards. So you can see the cards here for each book. I added 3 books per row. And I mean, it's basically the same thing all the way down to the footer. And the footer is the same as the other page. And then finally, here's my form where readers can actually send a book recommendation. So I have the introduction here, and then here is my form with the elements so that they can say their name, their email, and then like the book information. I made it so that they can even upload a book cover and describe the book, and then here's the footer again. So I will go ahead and open this with live server. And so here's the website. I also generated the images from yeah, just using AI, I guess. My introduction, here are my featured books. I can click on learn more and then I'll have my book description. My quote here is my table. And actually, if you can tell, I added this back to top. Then here's my bookshelf. The welcome, and yeah, see, like it's a lot of scrolling. So I can jump to a genre, so science fiction, novel, and here you can see the stars, everything. So these are the book cards. I can go to fantasy and I can go nonfiction. So back to top, and here is share a book, and here is my form, my images. See, you have the choose file option. And then finally, I actually wanted to show how it is responsive. So if I click here and I look at it like this, here's my menu. I'm gonna go home Actually, if you go to learn more here, it goes directly to the book cover and the description. I can go back to top. Here I can still jump to a genre. Back to topping. I can go home and still see the featured books and everything else. My table scrolls nicely. And we can also check the form out for sharing a book, and it's all responsive. Thank you.